Oo, sabi ni Shields, yung longer version daw ay nasa free TV version
Alam
of
ko,
the Alibi.
alam ko, edited out totally itong eksena to sa Prime. So,
Ah, talaga?
Isa yan sa mga
Hindi siya
eksena
nasama
makikita
doon.
nila.
Bakit?
Masyadong
Lots.
siksik-liglig,
Siksik.
umaakaw.
So yung kiss longer.
1 hour? Char.
Ay,
Joke lang.
Pero anong nagka-flashback habang nakita niyo yung scene na yun? Was that a hard scene to take?
Naalala ko lang ang layo ng location namin para i-shoot yun.
Okay.
Yung scene na yun. Tapos, mainit.
Uh-huh.
Mainit.
It was hot.
Yeah.
It is hot scene. Kim.
Hala, super. Tanong na mga eksena na ganyan. Amazing.
Ano naging amazing?
Amazing yung...
Mahirap bang i-rehearse yun? Yung gano'n yung... Sabi kasi ni Direk kanina, gusto niya organic. Di ba Direk, sabi mo kanina, maganda kung organic, hindi rehearsed.
Yeah, but that scene was directed by Derek.
Ah.
Pero di ba meron yung lipstick? Yung BTS na lipstick.
Oo, napunta sa...
Yung napunta sa kanya yung lipstick.
Mukha akong clown.
So ibig sabihin, ganun ka-intense yung scene na lumipat na yung
Actually,
lipstick.
Yung buong alibay, intense talaga siya. So, sabi sa amin, part na rin yun ng pagka-intense. So,
No, wait, so sobrang ganun nga yung intense yung scene, Kim, na lumipat na yung lipstick ni Pao.
Malama.
Oo, di ba, Direk? I think so.
I think so. Okay, now we're taking questions from our friends who are here. Okay, so let's begin. Mr. Aaron Domingo of The Alibi.
Yes, MJ, our first question will come from the intense and the fierce, ang ultra maldita na si Alex Bros.
Alex! We can see you from here, Alex.
To Paolo Abilino and Kim Chu.
What?
Have you observed that your characters, you as Vincent Cabrera and you as Estela, are very strong because you both are empowered by one thing,
Which is?
you power up yourself with refusal. You refuse, as Vincent, you refuse to be under your father. And Kim Chu, you refuse to be... What are you? My God! And you refuse, Kim Chu, to be under the spaloric spell of your comrades. Tawag dito. That said, do you realize that there are only a few characters like you who can make refusal a sign of strength?
Your Honor, we begin with Attorney Paolo Abilino.
Thank you po, Sir Alex. I think parang minsan humuhugot rin tayo sa lakas na pagtanggi natin. Dahil ayaw natin either tinatapakan tayo or dahil tingin natin may mali. And parang all throughout our years as Filipinos, medyo ganun rin tayo. And parang siguro bilang aktor at bilang ang dami rin naming piniplay na naming mga moral dilemmas. Lalong-lalo na kay Vincent Cabrera na naging parte ng katiwalian pero tinatanggihan niya talagang totally makain dahil gusto niyang quick lang, gusto niyang i-take over para magawa yung tama. Pero yun nga yung questions eh. Kapag party ka na ng mali, maitatama mo pa ba yung mga nagawa mo dati? And parang para sa akin, parang isa yun siguro sa nilalabanan niya. Kung maitatama niya ba yung mga kamalian niya sa paggawa ng tama or ayun, kung maitatama niya yung mga kamalian niya sa paggawa ng tama.
Actually, that's the beauty of the writer. Ano niya yung ano na yun, just internal struggle na yun ng character ni Vincent. Ikaw naman, Stella, you refuse to live a life like your comrades, like si Kimmy, di ba?
Yes, nagiging strong naman ang isang tao o nagiging matapang siya pag she knows her truth and she stands by her truth.
Tama.
And wala nang makakatapak ng dignidad mo nun kung nakatayo ka sa kung ano yung talagang pinaniniwalaan mo.
Alex, okay ka?
I have one question
Go
more.
ahead.
For the record, I would like to ask with some sense of urgency and immediacy the real score between Paolo and Kim Chiu.
Urgency,
Sa
ha?
ibang press con siguro yun.
100 yung score.
No press con will happen after this. So answer the question.
Sumagot si Paolo, sabi niya 100 daw ang score.
Ow! Thank you, Paolo. I thought Jericho was the only guy I knew who was brave enough to admit things. You are the second one.
I didn't admit anything, I just gave a score.
Narinig mo yung Alex? He
Nagbigay
didn't
lang po.
admit anything, he just gave a score. 100.
I'm not asking for a score. So he did not answer the question?
Kimi, how will you answer that question ni Alex? With urgency daw.
Kaya nga eh, para saan ba ikabubuti ba yan ang ekonomiya ng Pilipinas?
Oo, itong
Kung
magpapabago ng
maikabubuti sa ekonomiya
bagong
ng-
presidente sa 2028.
Eto na lang.
Ikaw ba?
Hindi ako.
Oh my God!
Eto na lang, ako magtatanong. Kimi, kanino galing yung bulaklak na pinost mo nung Valentine's Day?
Wala, super naman. Kanina daw galing Kimi. Di ba?
Kim.
Ikaw si Kimi.
Kanino galing?
Siyempre.
Kanino?
Sorry, charot. Siyempre, sa kanya.
Ah!
Sa kanya, kay Taon. Siyempre sa kanya.
Kay Pao. Oh, sa'yo galing? Just to confirm?
Sa akin.
Tapos yung post mo, Kim, sabi mo, ay, babae pala ako.
Yes, ang dami kasing mga babae naglalakad sa daan nung araw na yun.
Oh.
Siyempre nadadaanan ko lang, galing ako showtime. Dami naman mga naglalakad na nakahawak ng bulaklak. Yung mga to, super naman talaga sa pagka-long hair. Pag-uwi ko ng bahay, wala, may flowers din pala ako. Girl pala ako. Ganun. Yan lang yun.
I know it's too personal to share, but how does it feel lang na parang somebody sending you a flower and it's Paolo pa, from Paolo?
Siyempre nakaka-girl talaga pag bigyan ka ng flowers on Valentine's. Kasi hindi naman yan sa gaano kalaki yung bulaklak, super dami, ganyan. It's the thought that counts. Na naalala ka, oy, thank you, salamat.
Pao, anything to add sa pagpapadala mo ng bulaklak kay Kim?
Masaya ako na masaya ako. So, ba i-share yung letters?
Kimi, can you?
Yes, the letter goes like this. Kumanta pala. Hindi.
Nilabas no? Eto na, babasahin ko na sa iyo.
Okay na yun.
So, ano lang reaction mo na masaya siya na masaya ka?
Happy din ako na napapahappy niya ako. Mas baka sarili pa na.
So, would you say, Kim, that you already found happiness?
Super naman you already found happiness, but
Ah.
we have to be happy every day. Kasi di ba hindi natin alam kung ano mangyayari sa atin bukas or sa susunod na taon. So, kung ano man ang nagpapasaya sa'yo ngayong taon, i-cherish mo.
Yan. O, di ko na dadagdagan baka... Oh. Thank you, Alex. Next, Aaron. Sino magtatanong?
Yes, Alan, ito ang parating curious, wala iba kundi si Alan Sangkon of Stars Photonics.
Alan, ha? Charing.
Hello, hello Kim and everyone. Congratulations, mapapanood ng Alibay sa
Okay, thank you.
Hindi, tanong ko lang kasi parang kasi lagi sinasabi curious lang ako. Curious talaga ako, di ba? Behind the scene nung nung pinakita kanina, yung lipstick, yung viral yun di ba? How was that scene? Parang hindi ba sinasadya yun na na-transfer yung lipstick mo dun sa sa labi ni Paolo, or parang siyempre hindi pwedeng tanong anong lasa nung nung lipstick ni Kim. Pero hindi yan.
Nakakaloka yung lasa.
Hindi. How was the scene? How do you prepare for that?
Yung preparation parang bigla lang. Pero naalala ko lang yung scene na yun. After ng scene, nagtatawanan lahat ng tao, tapos hindi ko alam kung bakit. So yun pala, mukha na pala akong clown.
That's why you said clown. Okay. Alan,
Si Kim naman.
Kimi.
Ako, hindi siguro smudge-proof yung lipstick na ginamit ng makeup artist. I-try ko sa'yo. Para malaman mo. Hindi lahat puro tanong.
Eh, go! Mga training ni Vice ganda sa'yo!
Ay, sorry. Kasi natanong siya daw feeling para ma-feel niya.
Diba to si Kim na sumagot niya?
Girl siya eh.
I know. Okay, Alan.
Thank you. Yung second question ko for Sophia, tanong ka lang Sophia. Sabi mo nga, this is one of your challenging role dito sa na ginawa mong teleserye with Kim Pao, di ba? As a husband, as a wife ni Paolo dito, di ba? Gaano ka-challenging yung role mo dito? And yun nga, yung mga hindi yung malilimutang intense scenes ninyo ni Kim, aside dun sa sabunutan and sakitan nila.
As a wife, I was so nervous at first kasi first time ko po rin makakatrabaho si Paolo. And nung una kami nagkita, he was so serious. So parang hindi ko alam kung paano siya kausapin. But he was very professional. Parang natatakot ako, parang tama ba yung ginagawa ko or okay sa kanya yung acting or parang I asked him, okay ba yun, Pao, okay ba yung ginawa ko? And he was very supportive, he was very professional also. Natulungan niya yung character ko as one time.
Thank you. Congratulations everyone. Thank you.
Grabe yung bait ni Alan. Thank you, Alan. San ko nakapanibago? Next.
Ito, we have a question from the entertainment editor of the Philippine Star, Natalie Tomada.
Naka-Valentine's outfit na.
Ano lang, MJ, follow up lang kasi yung meaning pala ng peony. Peony flowers yung binigay ni.
Okay, nag-research. Okay, wait. What kind of flowers again? Peony?
Oh, favorite weekend. So it means
Roses
pala, it symbolizes healing and protection. Ganda.
Did you know that?
Well, ang sabi ko lang sa flower shop.
For healing and protection po.
Pink lang sa red.
Nagkagamot pala yung flower.
Pwede mong bulaklak for healing and protection.
Ayun. Pero yun na, Kim, do you feel protected by power?
Ay, ang ganda
Super
naman ng
sa mga
super.
protect. Isa ka palang armor, knight and shining. Wala, super. Okay na, oo naman. Hindi, well, lahat naman, hindi ko naman protected ako. Paano mo masasabing hindi ka protected pag minamanyak ka na siguro? Siguro ganun. Kasi lahat naman ng taong nakakasalamuha ko ay may respeto sa akin. So, I feel protected if ganun.
You know what? Let me say something. I think where Natalie's coming from is, we haven't seen you this comfortable ng matagal. Na parang you feel so safe when you're with Paolo.
Secure pa na siya. Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko napapansin. Pero kung yun ang napapansin niyo.
Pakita nyo na to, na project.
Or,
See? Diba? If you don't feel safe with your ka-eksena, diba? You won't reach like 4 projects.
siguro din kasi...
May ganun ba? May sense of security?
I think so. Tsaka may sense of growth when in terms to mga roles na ginagawa namin. And very thankful din kami sa ABS dahil binibigyan nila kami sa Dreamscape, binibigyan kami ng iba't ibang klase ng mga serye na which tackles different types of roles. And pagka-eksena ko si Pao, parang nag-grow ako din
Okay.
as an actor.
Ikaw pa, instinct mo na ba yun na to protect Kim? Not naman protect in like literal na way, but you know, have that safe space with Kim while working with you.
Of course. Parang, syempre, well, I've worked with Kim for so long. Parang, as much as possible, you try to protect them. Not just physically, pati in terms of knowing. Diba? The more you know kasi, the more you're protected for a lot of stuff. For example, siguro, Sige, wag na lang. Wag na lang example.
Tuloy mo! Tuloy mo, pupelo na kami. Tuloy mo yan, Paul. Like what?
For example, like online scams, diba? Parang if you're a bit knowledgeable about that thing, you share the knowledge.
Yeah.
And parang at the same time, she's protected because she's knowledgeable about online scams even more.
But now that you've heard na yung flowers na binigay mo kind of symbolizes healing and protection, what's your reaction?
Nagustuhan mo ba?
Oo naman, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Gusto mo ba?
Pwede naman everyday.
Mamumulubi.
Kaya mo yan, Nats.
Last question lang. Kasi ito talaga yung question ng marami dito sa table.
With immediacy na naman yan, and urgency.
Ano lang, for Kim Pao again, how was the Valentine's Day for you?
Did you guys go out? No? Okay. Kalma lang, tinanong ko lang naman. Just curious. Di ba? Did you guys go out? Taga? Kasi. How did you spend Valentine's Day? Ayoko lang tanongin yung buong cast, kayong dalawa na lang.
Ako, nanood ako ng Netflix, yung Singles Inferno.
Bakit naman yun?
Nanood ako noon.
Okay, okay.
Ako, wala, bahay lang din. May meeting lang nung tapos nag-aaral lang, may inaaral lang ako para sa isang role. Yeah.
Okay. Okay ka na, Nats? Okay.
MJ, we are down to our last question.
Oh.
And that killer question will come from the diva that we love, no other than Alwin Ignacio of Tribute.
Yes. For Kim and for Paolo, for projects together, where do you attribute the success of Kim Pao?
I think I really attribute it to the people supporting us. Because, yun nga, parang Lin lang was supposed to be a one-time project. Pero sila yung nag-request na parang they wanted more, they wanted to see more. We did Secretary Kim, then they wanted a movie. We gave them a feel-good movie, and now parang an intense teleserye. So, talaga, siguro hanggang nire-request na hanggang may gusto pang panoorin kami. We'd still do projects together. So it's for the fans and people who supporting us. So thank you so much.
For projects together, where do you attribute the success of Kim Pao?
Ito naman is hindi naman siya mag-work without the support na nakukuha namin ngayon. Ako kasi nakaka-3 love teams na ako. So parang talaga mayroon pa rin pala na nagsusupport sa amin ni Pao. And this time, in this day and age, ang bilis ng takbo ng bawat artista and ang bilis magsawa ng mga tao. Pero sobra kaming nagugulat and at the same time, very thankful ni Pao na ganito yung effort and time and love na binibigay nila sa amin. Kaya gusto din namin ibalik sa kanila with giving them great projects also na iba-iba para iba-iba yung variations. Parang ganun. So we're very lucky in this lifetime na merong sumusuporta sa amin.
Okay, last question. For projects together, natun na ba kayo sa point na parang nakakaumay na? Parang pahinga muna tayo.
Hindi naman po, hindi naman. Actually, may times na na parang not because nakakaumay, pero parang we feel overworked. So parang hinga muna. But whenever I talk to Kim naman, parang ano bang pwede nating gawin after this, ito. Pwede pa pala to. Sige, baka pwede nating i-reserve yan in the future. So it's more of like finding kung ano pa pwede namin i-offer na hindi pa nila nakikita po sa amin.
Which is totoo lang maganda yun, ha? Yung konting breather, di ba, Alwin? Para may miss factor. Kim, what's your reaction?
Ako, may mga ganun na parang kami magka-eksena lagi. Kaya maganda din na binigyan kami ng TFC na Kim Pao World Tour.
Yun!
Yes! Which is coming this next month, April. Tapos i-announce din nila. So, meron kaming US and Canada tour. So, masaya din. At the same time, it's something different and mas personal to say thank you to all of them.
Okay, thank you very much and congratulations.
Thank you, Alvin. As we wrap this up, let's talk about that na real quick before we ask messages from everybody. Kim Pao World Tour, your reaction when this was announced, Paolo, sa asa parang, meron? Parang meron eh. So, how did you feel na meron kayong ganito? Kim, we were just talking about this sa van when we were in Korea, di ba? Parang sabi ko kay Direk Lauren.
Maganda mag-tour.
Oo, di ba?
Yes, ano na siya, yung imaginary namin na nangyayari na because of TFC. So binigyan kami ng chance to meet our supporters sa
Yes,
US, sa
yes.
Canada. So excited kami.
Okay, may mga dates na tayo pa. Baka you can... may dates na! Okay. Mark your calendars, mga team, kapamilya, TFC, team abroad. Okay, let's go.
Okay, on April 24 will be at Redwood City. April 26, Anaheim.
And May 1 sa Edmonton and May 3 sa Toronto.
Alright! Mga kapamilya natin sa North America, it's Redwood City on the 24th. And then Anaheim in California on the 26th. And then May 1, Edmonton, and May 3 in Toronto. Wow!
See you there!
Yeah, so exact venues and ticket details are coming out soon, so abangan nyo lang yan. See you soon, everyone.
Yan! Okay, we're gonna show something sa LEDs. Yan, may mga surprise kami kayo, parang yung flowers ng lipaw. Okay, ready? Let's go!